Hi, I jump into Blender to show you a new real-time tool that brings Google MediaPipe AI tracking inside Blender. It's called MediaPipe to Blender or MP2B. Beside hands, you can track your face and your full body pose. MP2B is split in two separate applications. The extension, which you can simply drag and drop inside the Blender to install, and the client, that is a portable application written in Python. When you no longer need it, you can simply delete the folder and it's gone. The client connects to the cameras available on your system. You can choose the tracking model and set several parameters according to your hardware performance. Now we are ready to start. First, the client, then the add-on. Delete the cube. You can see my hands are moving. If I press 0, I can see my camera. That, of course, is not yet aligned. I'm working with the DJI Osmo 3, which is roughly 20 millimeters. I can flip the image from the client, so I made a mirror effect. Yes, maybe. Here you will find the mesh that received the real-time animation, and here you can find some transformation to fit your camera, as well as other specific transformation for any model. Tracking data is reaching Blender via UDP. Video has two ways of reaching Blender. By default is SHM, which is a shared memory, but you can also stream your video with MJPEG, and this means that you are sending your video and tracking by default on a local network, but you can change your network and split your computation on two different machines. Tracking data and video are streamed over a network. If the network is fast enough, this can return a reduction to the computational load on a single machine, still to be fully tested. Please let me know your opinion regarding this topic. Here I'm running the client on a Windows PC and Blender on a MacBook on the same network. This is a real-time software. There is nothing to render. Your output lives directly inside Blender's 3D viewport. This is a beta version. It's far from perfect. Please let me know in the comment if you can successfully run MediaPipe to Blender and share your impression and feedback. Bye!